Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share a very special unboxing I received, which I mentioned prior. About 2 weeks ago I received a gift card from a YouTuber on here, Christy A. She won some kind of a gift card from Sony Cosmetics, and when she went on the website it was all like organizers and things, you know, for your drawers and beauty room, and they were kind of costly as well. So she hit me up and offered me the gift card, and I said yeah, that'd be great. So she sent it to me through the phone, you know, and I immediately used it and paid just a little bit of difference and got it in the mail. And I wanted her to see what I ordered with what she so kindly gave to me. So here is their little palette here. Not palette, oh my god. Their card. Right here is Sony Cosmetics. They major in cosmetic organizers. This is a pamphlet. I just thought of it right. So they have so many different ones to choose from. They retail from like $59.99 on up. They are not cheap in any way, but I'm assuming they're super, super durable and great. So here is the actual box. I contemplated on what I needed the most to organize, and I came to the fact that I really need to organize my lipsticks. I will not lay them down in a drawer, and if I stand them up, they'll fall over every time I pull it open. So I thought, you know what, I need a lipstick organizer. So that is what I ordered. So let's open this up. This is supposed to hold 160 lipsticks. That's a lot. I probably need like 3 more of them. That is really bad. Actually, I've been getting rid of a lot, so I'm doing pretty good. This is a cool box. It came very well padded. It has the little, I remember jumping on these as a kid, the poppers, and the unveiling. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. It says Sony on the front, and then look at all these slots. Oh my gosh, lipstick for days. I can't wait to put this in one of my drawers and be able to get some of the towers I have down and actually go through them, because I know I have some Kylie doubles and I need like freaking some kind of glasses or microscope to read the bottom of them, because I have doubles. This is great. Christy, I just want to say thank you again. I would not have bought this without that gift card, and I'm going to have so much fun organizing my lipsticks. I will show you if you'd like when I'm finished. I'm just so grateful. Anything that is given to me is not expected, and it is so amazing. I have so many great people on my channel, and I'm just super grateful for you guys. And thank you, Christy. I hope you have a great day. If you're new, welcome. If you've been here, thank you so much, everybody. Turn the little notification bell on over there and give me a thumbs up if you like my channel, and comment below on what you would like to see. I'm super excited for the challenge. Ends June 15th, Modern Renaissance palette. Then we're gonna move on. We're gonna do Disney theme. I've gotten a couple suggestions on who you would like me to base my theme on. If you have suggestions, leave them below and let me know. One said Snow White, somebody said Maleficent, somebody said Jasmine, so let me know. Give me some ideas. You guys have a great, great day. Thank you so much. Bye.